What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so they attacking boss there in a NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. So right about now, people, but they are giving thanks to life. You don't know the thing going full force, so they attack you, understand? So right now, you can hear maybe a little, you know, you can hear the happiness or the little joy in my voice, people, because I heard this thing right now, people, and watch this thing, you know, basically, watch, yeah, cause it come to me as a video, people, you understand, but basically, you're not seeing a face or nothing, but you hear the talk, and it was a conversation over a phone, people, and basically, is this, brother, you know, I'm not gonna say brother, you know, this same thing, you know, basically call the police station down at Freeport now, people. Say he's from the Sparta gang, you understand, and I tell the police, them say, yo, them need to free up such and such man, and, you know, they need to put $2 million at the front, so the money friend then come else police are gonna get this and that and this. Well, my viewers and subscribers, I'm going to be honest, right, listening to this whole thing, and now, honestly, I just pray say a mad man, I want mad sin thing this a people. I can't pray say a sin thing where I've sent, so I don't want to say too much, you know, because I know someone well want to hear what I have faith. You know what I mean? So, when I go to people, when you just watch that thing and listen to this conversation, basically, as I tell you, it's a phone call that was called to the Freeport station down in St. James, Montego Bay, people. And then the attacking boss drop back in. So, just listen to this, people.
Go on.
Alright. Ricardo Moses, why you write this down? Ricardo Moses. Ricardo Moses must be freed from jail within the next 24 hours. Now, mechanic section now. $2 million must be placed down to we when we enter a station there. When we enter Freeport station, $2 million must be sitting and waiting when we enter.
Okay.
If you want to know who this come from, tell him it come from Ricardo.
Ricardo?
Little brother. Tell him it come from Ricardo, little brother from Sparta gang. Because since you don't think so now, bad and this and whatnot, tell him it come from Ricardo, little brother from Sparta gang.
So by when that $2 million put on?
You must put on within 24 hours. If you don't put on, Memba, me tell her, so one police are going dead. I mean, I mean dead by just shoot. I tell us them about torture, and we're going to make a video, and we're going to post it up.
RGS 179.
Go with the bomb buckle out to the thing going hang up on.
Cut the phone cut off, man.
Huh?
Cut the phone cut off.
Yo, I'm good man, you know. I feel like I don't want dead for you right now.
Alright, so yes or no? $2 million are Ricardo Moses
Yeah.
must be released within 24 hours.
Yes.
Or you can shoot up the station.
Yes. And the $2 million have to be there, so. Remember, for the $2 million have to be there, the waiting. If we enter this, so, a problem now if we not see it. No, not joking thing. I'm afraid to get shot in my bow, nothing that. They're killing me right now, and nothing. Winter right now, I'm going to shoot me down, but remember me telling someone I'm going to go dead, no cap.
And you said this is from the Sparta gang?
Yeah.
Alright, so.
Well, my viewers and subscribers, what you all think about this thing now? Honestly, this come like something of sense to you? Number one, he called the police station people. You understand? Easily now trace can be made now. You understand? This is a threat. This is a threat, people. You know, I got talk about police, I got this and that, and I go get touch and then something. Get what I'm saying? And if I was the police people, if they do have a Sparta gang down there in St. James, Montego Bay, I would never pray so this thing is no part to do with the Sparta gang or nothing like that. You understand? Which Jamaica no gang nothing done there. You get me? But this a same thing, yeah? No have no part to do with no Sparta. You might try beat up that something there. You understand? Which if it's a gang when you Sparta gang not carry problem or so, police need to find them and deal with them. But this same thing I know, people, is something different. I mean, I preach say have no sense. You know? This same thing I know, like it sniff something or it puff something, people. Cause I did it 200. Honestly, I did it 200, people. No joke about it. With down at St. James now, where the police them are finding so much different resources, people. You have so much new different form of police down at St. James now. You have police where you deal with this, police where you deal with that, police where you do this, that. And you believe, say, this thing I know, people, could have come to boom and go carry out the act. Me now go say, yeah, of course. And get a strap in and him alone or him and him friend them. Of course, then can go there and go beat it up on the station. Even though him saying afraid for dead people. You hear what he said, he not afraid for dead. You understand? And he get 8 shot already or something. But it seemed like him ready to go. But honestly, my viewers and subscribers, even though I tell us that the same thing you know, like I sitting on a sense and in on a head, still don't take it lightly. You know what I mean? A threat is a threat and this is a serious one. You understand? Because me personally being a police down there at Freeport or down in St. James, Montego Bay, I'm not going to take this lightly, my people. No joke about it, Zine. Because me tell people, a threat is a threat, Zine. And my viewers and my subscribers, all me can tell them this, people. Zine, in this world right now, and especially in Jamaica, we have all type of farmer demons Lego down there. You get what me I say? Me talk about the demons all the while, well, you know. But there's a lot of demons Lego down there. And so one of people, this is one over the phone now. You understand? With the officer, look, even when the phone comes to boom and cut off people, I call up and I say, yo, boy, oh, you hang up phone pan and this and that, Like say, yo, I him run things, I him roll things, But no worry yourself. No worry yourself. Your cooler is coming, man. It is coming, man. You go and get it, man. Your $2 million is coming, man. You understand? Yeah, man. It's going to come with a nice read on it, you know. With the pictures all over it and thing. Yeah, man. Nice. They're 6'6". Yeah, man. They're going to paint inside, yeah. With your friend, them are going to throw something in it for you. Yeah, man. They're going to put NEC in the for Yeah, man. No worry yourself, man. They're going to put a couple strap in there with your key when you go down there. Yeah, man. No worry yourself. It's coming, man. It's coming. You understand? Because this same thing on our people, because I tell her, it lick it head. It lick it head, my viewers and my subscribers. I wonder if there's some other country or something and they decide to call on this or something. Because it can't be something. I could make big phone call to free up this man and that demand there. What's up, people? What so him have? What powers him have so? I him name Pablo Escobar. And the powers of Pablo Escobar did have people. What happened to him? You see what happened to him, don't? I name El Chapo, and the powers of El Chapo did have. You see what happened to him, don't, people? Okay, so what him name, so that's what I'm going to tell them, so yo, for free up, man, and the police them to ensure $2 million there out the door. So any man in friend then come, such and a 24 hours. More know how long this, because this thing was sent to me yesterday, my viewers and subscribers, you know, by one of my viewers and subscribers. So big up on yourself, you know, everyone who reach out to the attacking boss and send on the videos them, you know what I mean, send on the information them. I respect it, whether any country, the Jamaica, anyway, big up on yourself, man, enough love, I really appreciate it. See, but when I say my people, on a real level, see, them something I need to deal with. Them need to deal with, see. And this a mad sin thing and our people. And you know, say honestly, as me I tell her, say no sense people. But you know, it as me tell her, is this something where you like, man? Is this something where you like? It's something where you like. It's something where you like. So viewers and subscribers, I just more love my people and more respect and just go and do the right thing, my people, and just stay blessed people. And remember, as me telling you before, the demons leg out the people. See, don't take it for joke and don't take it lightly. And if you don't subscribe, please do subscribe now, my people, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tap all in the notification section, so as I drop a video, you will get them. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, NEWLINK_production official. Enough love, my people, and enough respect, and just stay blessed and stay safe out there, my people. Big up on yourself. Full force, fully attack every time. Big up.